We're doing homework number 8.4, solving polynomials, and you notice we have a sum of cubes here, but you notice that we have 2 and 54, and we know that 54 is divisible by 2. So if I'm going to factor a 2, what I'm actually doing is I'm dividing by 2. So I have x cubed plus 27 is equal to 0. Now, if I were to rewrite this, it would be x cubed plus 3 to the power 3 equals 0. And this can help us to now factor a sum of cubes. And I'm going to give you the formula in class, so I'm just going to follow the formula. We know that x cubed plus y cubed will be the sum of x plus 3. You get the first term, which in this case it's x, and you're going to square it. Since it's positive, you're going to subtract. And then we have 3 times x, which is 3x. And then the last number, or the last term, you're going to square it, so it's plus 9 equals 0. And of course, as always, the first factor is easy to find the 0. We have x equals negative 3. So you don't have to waste time trying to figure out by factoring. We're going to utilize the quadratic formula. So we have a equals 1, b equals negative 3, and c equals 9. And I'm going to go ahead and do it on the left side here. So I have x squared, or I have x equals negative b plus or minus square root, and that's the discriminant, b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So now I'm just going to substitute, and we have 3, since b is negative 3, plus or minus square root, this is the discriminant, and if the discriminant is less than 1, we know it's going to be imaginary in this case. It's 3 squared, which is 9, minus 4 times a, which is 1, and then times 9, and then we divide by a, 2a, which is 2. So we have x equals 3 plus or minus square root 9 minus 36. So that will be 25. That will be 27, negative 27 divided by 2. And we know that the square root, of negative 27 is imaginary. It's the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 27. And we know that the largest number that goes into 27 is 9. So you will have square root of negative 1, square root of 9 times square root of 3. And once again, what is the square root of 9? 3. 3i square root of 3. So our answer will be 3 divided by 2 plus or minus 3i square root of 3 divided by 3.